Hey, this is Andy Delgado. Listen, I found another great website for you to get your message out to 1,000 people every day for free. Yes, indeed. Listen, it's called Herculist, and I'd appreciate it if you'd use my link because it'll give me a little bit of credit and help me keep doing these videos that helps you get your message in front of people for free. So I'm going to just run through it real quick. It's not too difficult. It's easier than the last one that I showed you. But let's just look at Herculist. So let me switch my screen here. Okay, so we're looking at Firefox, and I'm going to my link here at the top, and I'm going to hit enter. Now, let me warn you, just like with any other email service list that you're working with, you are going to want to create another email address or use one that is not your primary email address, because you're going to get, just like you're doing 1,000 emails out to somebody, you're going to be the recipient of some of those thousands of emails that go out to people. So make sure that you're using an email address that you don't mind getting spam to, but you're going to want to check the emails because it gives you more points to do more stuff with. Just like yesterday or whenever it was when we did AE Mailer. By the way, if you haven't looked at that video, go back and check it out. But anyway, here we go. So we're looking at Herculist, and we're going to tell it to sign up. My name is Andy Delgado, and I heard about this from my friend Graham. Alright, username ADTX01, password, I'm not going to tell you my password. Alright, and then what email do I want to use? Now this is going to be another one of my email addresses that I don't mind getting spam to, but like I said, you're going to want to check your messages in this account. That way you can get points for everything that you're doing. gmail.com. Alright, we're going to use the same address. Now let me make sure this is the right account I'm looking at. Oh, yeah, that's the right one. Alright, if I agree to the Hercules terms, I do, and I'm going to say I am not a robot because clearly I'm not. Next. Okay, so we're going to continue with the free account over here on the left. And then we're ready to do it. Now, before you do it, we could send one right now, but before we do it, you see this paragraph right here? We've got to confirm our subscription. And all they're going to do basically is send you an email, and then you go confirm it. So this is going to say confirm subscribed email. And just a minute. Now, by the way, that first email may go to your spam folder. In fact, mine did when I set this up the first day, and look, here it is. See, so that first one went in my spam folder. So I gotta go tell it not spam, and then come back over here and go to all mail, and there it is on the top. So there we go. And then if I want to confirm the email, normally you would just click this, but I want to keep this in my private tab. So I'm going to say copy link, and I'm going to come back over here and paste it here. There we go. Now listen, I am all subscribed and everything is ready to go. So if I want to send my first email, I can click on home. It recognizes me now. Now, just like everything else, you're going to see a bunch of ads and everything else. Unfortunately, if you want to send your stuff out, you got to do it. So if I want to do it, I'm going to click on Submit Daily Web Email Ad. This is free. Want your website below. See, you can fill it up with all the ads and everything that you want to do. Of course, I'm just going to scroll to the bottom. I believe that's where I need to go. Oh, I lied. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry. Up at the top it says continue to add mailers. It would help if I'd read that, huh? Alright, no porn or legal business, all that good stuff. I'm going to use, by the way, so we can do a credit mailer or you can do the regular mailer. Now, remember, you can do this every day and it goes out to 1,000 different users. Not necessarily somebody that's already received your email, but they could have received your previous email. So it's up to you how you want to fill that out. So I'm going to send these guys to my RPM link. The subject line is going to be your rapid profit machine is waiting. Alright, your rapid profit machine is waiting. The URL, I actually build URLs so I can track them later. And this is actually going to be a RPMHL. And then you can use any message you want, but something that's going to get their attention for sure. And remember, the same spam rules apply, so you don't want to load it full of a bunch of spammy words. For example, you don't want to say free money, you don't want to say get paid, some of those things like that that are definitely spam catchers. So I would craft a good message, and I bet you I've got one that I've used before. Let me go look in one of my other email accounts and see if I've got one that I've sent that I thought did well. Hold on just a second here. All right. How would you, well, it would help I typed correctly, huh? How would you like a completely done for you system that Alright, so I have it. How would you like a completely done for you system that can earn for you 24/7, 365? Here it is, a completely DFY. I'm gonna leave it like that is. It runs like a machine 24/7, 365. Learn about it here. Alright. So, I'm about to send this out to 1,000 people. Now this is a lot of hard work. Are you ready? Here it goes. I'm working hard. Ready? Done. So if you look way up here at the top, it says ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members. And they'll actually send you back an email that says that here's a copy of your sent, or your send, or whatever we call it. Let's go back and see if I can find it real quick. Alright, so look at this. Your ad has been sent to 1,000 Herculist members. That was easy. Now listen, you can do this every 24 hours. Let me switch back to me so you can see my smiling face, whether you want to or not. Okay, so you can do this every 24 hours. Hold on just a sec here. That's what I'm looking for. Every 24 hours. Now that's pretty amazing. So if you have offers, for example, right now you just saw me send this to my rapid profit machine offer. If I were going to send this to my tapestry offer, I could do that. If I were going to send it to, right now, the other hot one that I've got going on is the same thing you see on the screen. But basically, it's the Punk Panda system. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so if I were going to send this to different offers, I would do this every day. So I've got 3 offers I'm rotating through. I can send the same offer every day, you know, every 3 days. So there you go. You could create a second account if you wanted to do that. Just realize you need another email address to do that with, and then you're ready to run. You can do this as often as you like. Let me get some of these things out of my eyes here. Sorry about that. All right, that's better. So you could do this as often as you like and send them to as many email messages as you want, and then boom, you are set to go. I'm sorry, send them to as many websites as you want as you have available. So if you have, you know, if you've got 3 or 4 or 5 different websites that you want to send people to, there you go. Now, I use Link Wizard, which I got because I'm an RPM Pro member. I use Link Wizard so that I can track which emails or which sites are giving me the best performance. Because in the event that I like one, then I would certainly want to go ahead and spend money with it. But right now, I can try different sites, whether I'm using Emailer or today Herculist. But then I can track and see what kind of clicks I'm getting, because Link Wizard will track that. It will also tell me what countries they're coming from and everything else. So take advantage of all the things that you get as an RPM Pro member. and you're certainly going to want to be able to track everything, because knowledge is power, and knowing where you get your stuff, where you're spending your time or your efforts, that's powerful, because then you would want to spend more time, more efforts, maybe some money there. All right, my name is Andy. Thanks for watching this. By the way, if you have not seen Punk Panda, oh my goodness, hit right here on the screen. You'll see a phone number. You can, if you're in the United States or Canada, you can text the word panda to 936-262-7797, and it will get you started with the Punk Panda app, as well as send you to a site where I give you some follow-up emails, give you some training, teach you exactly what to do with your Punk Panda app, how you can make the most money with it. Now, you can also look at the links in the description on this video. I would love for you to check out some of the offers that I've got, at least just to see if you like, hey, I built these funnels. If you like the funnels, chances are I'll give it to you. Yes, I will. Just ask me for it. All right, so text me at that number. Even if you just want to start communicating with another marketer, text me at that number, say hello, and it will send you back a contact form you can fill out, and I'll get in touch with you. There you go. All right, I hope you have a fantastic day. Be blessed. See you later. Bye-bye.